Today's topic is algebraic expressions and identities, exercise 6.4. First main is multiply the binomials. First question is 2x plus 5 into 4x minus 3. Here 2x we have to multiply with this 2x into 4x minus 3 plus 5. Again 5 we have to multiply with this 4x minus 3. Here 2 4s are 8, x into x, x square, plus into minus, minus, 2 3s are 6 into x, x, plus into plus, plus, 5 4s are 20 into x is x only, plus into minus, minus, 5 3s are 15. Then 8x square, because here no other x square, only one term we have x square, so 8x square we should write. Here we have two term in x, so minus 6x plus 20x, same term we have, so we can do subtraction. So 20 minus 6 is plus 14x. Why plus 14? Because we have bigger number sign is plus. Then 15 is number term we have to write. This is x square term, x term, number term. So this is the last step. Same like this you have to do remaining sums. One more sum I will do here. This is 6th sum I will do now. Now 6th one, this with this we have to multiply. So here 4 is common for this term. 4 we will multiply inside this. 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square into 4 into a square 4a square minus 4 2s are 8 by 3. Because numerator we have to multiply. B square term we should write b square. Now a square 3 by 4 a square we have to multiply with this everything. So 3 by 4 a square into 4a square minus 8 by 3b square. Again 3b square we have to multiply with everything. 3b square into this we have to write. 4a square minus 8 by 3b square. Then this a square term with a square term we have to multiply. Numerator we have to multiply. So 3 by 4 a square into this 4a square plus into minus, minus 3 by 4 a square into 8 by 3 b square. Then plus into plus, plus 3 b square into 4a square. Plus into minus, minus 3b square into 8 by 3b square. Now this one term, this is one more term, this is one more term, this is one more term. In this term, numerator, denominator, if it is get cancelled, we can do. Numerator 1 4s are, denominator 1 4s are. So remaining what we have? 3. And here we have 1 and we have 1 here. 3 ones are also 3. A square into a square, a power 4. Then here this denominator 3, numerator 3 will get cancelled. Here 1 4s are, 2 4s are. So we have minus 2 we have in numerator. Denominator also only 1. So 2 into a square into b square. So a square, b square we have. Then here plus. Here no denominator and numerator it will get cancelled. So numerator we have to multiply. 3 4s are 12. So here a square into b square minus here numerator 3 denominator 3 will get cancelled. We have here numerator 8. B square into b square b power 4 we have. So here a power 4 b power 4. Here a square b square b square, same term we have. So we'll do simplify for this only one term. Equal to 3a power 4 plus 12 minus 2 is plus 10. The term of this is a square and b square minus 8b power 4 is the answer. Find the product. Second one. In this first one is 5 minus 2x into 3 plus x. So 5 we have to multiply with this. Then minus 2x we should multiply with 3 plus x. Then 5 3s are 15. Plus into plus plus. 5 into x 5x. Minus into plus minus 2 3s are 6x. Minus into plus minus 2x into x 2x square we have. So here 15 6x plus 5x is minus 1x. Because minus sign we have for bigger number, so we should write minus 2x square. This is our answer. Here minus 2x, or we can write like this, minus 2x square minus 1x plus 15. I have arranged like x square, x number term. I didn't change the sign. Sign what it is there, same sign I have written. This is also correct answer, or this is also correct answer. Third minus simplify. First one is x square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25 they given. So we have to multiply x square along with this minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. So plus x square plus x is x cube, plus into plus plus x square into 5 5x square, minus into plus minus 5x, minus into plus minus 5 5s are 25. Here we have plus 25. So plus 25 minus 25 will get cancelled. We have here x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. This is x cube, this is x square term, this is x term. Different terms we cannot add or we cannot do subtraction. Third main. Fourth one is a plus b into c minus d. We have one term. Then a minus b into c plus d, one more term we have. This is plus 2ac plus bd is one more term. So we have three terms. We have to multiply this a with c ones with the d ones. So a into c, ac, plus into minus, minus, a into d, ad. Then again b with c ones we should multiply and b along with the d ones. So b into c plus bc, because plus into plus plus, plus into minus minus, b into d, bd. Then we have to multiply second term. Plus into plus plus, a into c, ac, again a into d plus ad. Again minus b into c minus bc, minus into plus minus, b into d, bd. Again third one is plus 2 into ac plus 2ac. Again plus into plus plus 2 into bd, 2bd. Now we will check same term. We have ac term here, again ac. So plus plus we have to add. So 2ac we have here. Again ad we have, again we have ad, then minus and plus, it will get cancelled. Minus ad plus ad will get cancelled. Now plus bc we have, minus bc we have, it will get cancelled. Again we have minus bd, here minus bd. So minus 2bd we have. So we have here plus 2ac plus 2bd we have. Here same term we'll check now. AC term, 2 plus 2 is 4. 4ac we have. Then BD term, it is plus and minus 2. So minus 2BD plus 2BD will get cancelled. So we get answer is plus 4AC is our answer. Remaining sums is your homework sum from first, second, third main.